Welcome to EZLOGZ. This video is part of a series of training videos with helpful and in-depth information on our products. Find out how EZLOGZ can increase your fleet performance and save money. Add user. Enter the Safety menu and the User submenu. Press the Add User button on the right side of the screen. In the window that appears, select the Create command, and then enter the client's personal information: role, first name, last name, email, and phone number. And also, enter and confirm the password. After that, press the Enable command under the Email Validation, pressing the Invite New Member button. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please get in touch with our support, which is available 24/7.